my hand, it's yours to hold. I give myself to you.
Nagkakilala kami sa church, so Logos Church. So last 2017.
Nag-isip din ako kung paano. I pray, pero ang move ko ay i-message ko siya na maging partner siya pa sa Bible study.
Yung chisahan dyan. Yan, bambira.
Kaya nga hindi tayo kumain para maipit natin eh.
So after nun, so syempre sa church kasi namin may mga gatherings yan. So like Bible study.
Yun ang ginawa kong move hanggang sa nag-develop yung friendship namin. Pero may gusto na ako sa kanya nun. Kaya yung move ko is mag-Bible study kami.
We are to become one.
Rosel, do you take Lady Lee to be your wedded wife? To love her as Christ loves His church? And to protect her and care for her for the rest of your life?
Yes, I do.
Praise the Lord.
We are to become.
Kung may mahal na mahal, I prepare this gift for you kasi gusto ko na lagi mong maalala na meron kang ako. I thank God may mabait at mapagpasensyang asawa. I love you so many, many.
Life, I'm laying down.
Although siya pa lang talaga yung isa sa lalaking parang in-entertain ko.
Lady Lee, do you take Rosel to be your wedded husband? Listen, submitting yourself to him alone as unto the Lord.
Yes, I do.
We are to become one.
Kasi para sa akin, you entertain a guy kung talagang unang-una, nandun yung mga quality that you're praying for. So, yun yung quality kasi na pinagpipray ko is unang-una God-fearing. Mahal ang Lord.
When we're weak and when we're strong, when it's hard to carry on. Oh God, we want your love on display.
To my wife, I hope you like my gift to you, a gold bracelet with a heart pendant. This heart symbolizes my love for you is pure like this gold. Your loving husband, Jose.
May what your joy be not undone. We want the world to see.
Ginawa ko siyang partner sa Bible study. Doon kami nagsimula, naging friendship. Katagalan. Doon, inamin ko na sa kanya na mahal ko na siya. So, tapos, matagal pa pero worth it naman ang paghihintay ko. Doon na nagsimula ang aming love story.
When we're weak and when we're strong, when it's hard to carry on. Oh God, we want your love on display. Oh God, we want your love on display. We are. May what your joy be not undone. We want the world to see your love through us. We want forever, yeah.
Kasi bilang, yun nga, sa Christian kami yan, may takot na may Lord sa buhay, napakahalaga ng fellowship. So, mas nakilala ko siya na ganun siya, na napaka-welcoming niya. Kaya, lalo akong na-in-love. Yan, nagustuhan ko lalo yun, yung pagiging ganun niya.
When we're weak and when we're strong, when it's hard to carry on. Oh God, we want your love on display.
Introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Rosel K. Kapura. You may now kiss the bride.
Display.
Huwag na gumalaw.
Oh God, we want your love on display.
Oh, game.
So we are to